How to fix Windows 10 or 11 PC not turn off after clicking Shutdown. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. This will open your RON dialog box. Now you need to type in powercf.cpl and press enter on your keyboard. A window will open where on the left side click on choose what the power button does. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. And on the shutdown setting, you need to uncheck turn on fast startup. And you need to simply click on save changes in order to save the changes. Now close this window and you can easily right click on this start icon at bottom left and you can easily restart your PC or laptop. With that, you will successfully fix Windows 10 or 11 PC not turn off after clicking shutdown. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.